know it is Allah who created the beautiful birds and created the beautiful tiger with beautiful colors and created the sky, the rivers, the mountains, and the trees. He also created me, my parents, and all of the people. Allah is the creator of everything. But who created Allah? Allah was always there without a beginning. There was nothing with Allah. No place, no sky, no mountain, no rivers, no birds, and no trees. No one created Allah, and no one gave birth to him. Allah has no father and no mother. Allah has no equal. That's why we say, Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Say, He is Allah, the one and only God. Allahu Samad. He lives forever without a beginning or end. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He did not come from anything and does not have any parents. He also does not give birth and does not have any children. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. And there is nothing like him or equal to him.